Hello, this is my second evidence, the individual video for the Frugal Innovation class. First of all, the problem that we wanted to solve is the lack of footwear for people that live at the very base of the pyramid. This means people that cannot afford to buy any kind of shoes, sandals, or boots. And in the end, this results in various types of lesions on their feet, which can be pretty much uncomfortable. And in very serious situations, they can end up endangering their lives. So the prototype that we designed is are these easy to make sandals that anyone can make and are made out of cheap materials. They are made out of two materials, the Velcro and the material they are cut out. This material can be cardboard, foam paper, or any kind of material that you can cut into the shape that is shown. This innovation is frugal because it greatly reduces the costs of making the sandals, which in the end make them more accessible to people that in regular situations wouldn't be able to afford shoe work. So this frugal innovation represents a really big business opportunity because around the world there are approximately 300 million people that cannot afford to buy any kind of shoe work. So by reducing the costs of making these sandals, we can make them accessible to lots of these people. During the process of validation, we conducted a series of questions and interviews to other teams about our idea. And a feedback that we got that surprised me the most is that we needed to improve the design. It surprised me because at first I didn't think that the design was something important for this kind of idea. I thought that the functionality was the only thing that mattered. But in the end, I recognized that design is something important and we probably should improve it. And finally, during this week, I learned about myself lots of things, but mostly I learned that I am a giver and I wasn't expecting that because at first I didn't know what givers or takers were. But when I learned it, I thought I would be a taker, but after taking the test, I learned about myself that I am apparently a giver. And the second thing that I learned, which is more important, is that I really enjoyed the frugal innovation process. I didn't think of it, much of it before taking the class because I wasn't aware of the whole process. But after learning how we can improve designs and make them more accessible to people that could probably not uh, use them or have them in regular conditions, I really enjoyed the frugal innovation process, and I learned that I would love to use it in future projects, and that I really want to learn more about it and develop more ideas using this frugal innovation process.